Hi boys and girls, welcome to Science. This week in Science we're continuing to talk about basic needs of living things. And today we're going to do a fun activity. We're going to draw a living thing and then draw 3 pictures that show some of its basic needs. So for instance, you can choose an animal, a fish, a bird, or a plant, something like that, or even a person, and then draw 3 pictures beside it that show some of the basic needs that it has. So I'm going to choose to draw a monkey. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and draw my monkey here on the page, and then I'm going to go ahead and write the word monkey underneath it. And if you can, try to write the word of what it is. Okay, so here's my monkey. I'm going to give him a nice head like this, some nice monkey ears, big smile, and you don't have to do a monkey. This is just what I'm choosing to do. And then the neck, give him a body, kind of a simple monkey. Okay, little legs, and there he is, a friendly little monkey. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and draw or write the name monkey underneath him. Alright, so I have my monkey, and again you can choose plant, animal, fish, anything like that, something that's living, and something that you can think of 3 of what it needs in its life. Okay, so a monkey for sure needs what? Shelter. Okay, and monkeys like to sleep and stay, hang around in trees. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a tree. And you can use different colors. I'm going to do this kind of simple, just as I'm showing for the video. So I'm going to just do a tree. There we go. And if you can, go ahead and write the name of what that is underneath it again. I'm going to write tree. So that's shelter, right? It needs shelter. It needs a tree. So what else? A monkey needs to eat, right? Definitely. What's something that a monkey eats? Bananas. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and draw banana. Okay. And then I'm going to actually put a line there, and just put a little detail and put some color right there on the banana. And then I'm going to write the word banana. And then what else does a monkey need? A monkey needs to drink something, right? It can't just eat, it needs to drink. It needs to stay hydrated, so a monkey needs water. Now, I'm not going to draw a cup of water because we know that monkeys don't really use cups like we do. If you're drawing a person, you could draw a cup. But I'm just going to draw kind of a pond or a puddle of water, and then I'm going to go ahead and write water underneath it. Alright, so select an animal, plant, fish, person, anything like that you could even draw yourself, and then draw that here on one corner of the page, and then draw 3 things that show 3 of its basic needs and what it uses to fulfill those needs. And then take a picture. Try to write the words underneath of what it is. Take a picture and upload it. Thank you for joining me today for Science.